everybody! Welcome to tonight's episode of The Canned Cook. Tonight in my kitchen we will be making homemade chicken noodle soup. That's the one thing that I'm finding it very hard to find right now in the grocery store is any kind of soup whatsoever, and sometimes you just need that nice hearty feel-good meal when you're maybe not feeling so hot, maybe a little under the weather. So tonight we're going to be making our own. I'm going to be using egg noodles tonight. Hopefully you guys can still find some of those. And then I'm going to be using the reduced sodium chicken broth tonight because I have salted my chicken and I will be salting and seasoning the chicken noodle soup to flavor. So reduced sodium on that. And my base will be celery, carrots, onions, garlic. And my, of course, canned good of the night is going to be some canned peas. And then at the end, we will add the noodles, the cilantro, and the lime. All right, let's get cooking. So while I'm chopping the veggies, I'm also going to be sauteing the chicken breast, making sure that's done. And then I will be adding it to the soup at the very end. And I will also be shredding it up before I add it to the soup. So here we go. Soup looks ready to me. Come take a look. Ooh. Get some of that dished up. Dress it with a little bit of cilantro. There we go. My first ever homemade chicken noodle soup. Bon appetit.